Let's get you the latest from the poll-bound state of Bihar. And the Supreme Court today will be taking up a batch of petitions challenging the legality of the special intensive revision of electoral rules being conducted by the Election Commission in the poll-bound state. Now, the Supreme Court will be urgently hearing that batch of petitions. And to know more on this, we have Nupur joining us to get us the very latest on this. Nupur, take us through this case that is being made in regard to the Election Commission's move that threatens the core values of free and fair elections and also a representative of a democracy, which really forms part of the Constitution's basic structure. And that is really what is going to be taken up by the Supreme Court today.
Well, Divya, several political parties, remember, have moved the Supreme Court alleging that lakhs of voters would be disenfranchised in this exercise that is proposed by the Election Commission of India. Remember, this is not a new exercise. Special intensive revision is part of functions of Election Commission of India. Last SIR was carried out in 2003 in Bihar. Now, what the contentions that is raised by the political parties, including Congress, RJD, and several range of opposition parties, is that this is a targeted move by Election Commission of India to disenfranchise voters which are essentially voters of the opposition, and they claim that it would lead to lakhs of voters, especially the poor, the marginalized, and the women being disenfranchised from their rights. They say that in the way which the ECI is carrying this SIR, the proposed SIR, and in the way it is in a very short term, and it is very difficult to provide all the documents. Remember, it seeks 11 documents from persons to confirm their presence, and this is in fact a very big development that the Supreme Court has on this week agreed to hear the matter on urgent basis. Now today the Supreme Court will hear the contentions of all the parties and decide whether it wants to seek a response from Election Commission of India, issue notice, or also issue an interim stay on the function and exercise of SIR in the country. So in the state of Bihar. So today, what will be important to watch out for? Will the Supreme Court provide an interim stay? It will be crucial to see.